The females are carrying the next generation. They've come here to calve. It only takes seconds. Some calves are on their feet in just 2 minutes. Others take a little longer. Then they're good to go. Phosphorus and calcium in the volcanic ash pass through the grass into the mother's milk and into the growing calves. Nowhere else on their epic journey could young wildebeest get such a good start in life. In just 2 to 3 weeks, over 500,000 wildebeest calves are born here. And, of course, this provides an irresistible opportunity for all of Africa's top predators. This is boom time for meat eaters. The Ndutu lions to the south have yet to enjoy this feast. But this cheetah family now has an endless supply of fresh meat. There is certainly enough to feed the 6 cubs. She'll make a kill every day to keep her cubs properly fed.